everybody.
What's going on?
Tucker and the Beard here at Espire Sports. Brand new spot just opened up inside the Prescott Gateway Mall. We're here today with Jim Thomas. He's the owner, founder, CEO of this pretty impressive structure you got going on here.
I mean, awesome.
It's hard to believe that just a little while ago this was a department store, right? Major transformation that's going on in here. Jim's got a pretty cool story of how all of this came about. So we're gonna let him tell that story while you guys check everything out. Enjoy that.
Hey everybody, my name is Jim Thomas. I'm the CEO of Espire Sports. About 6 years ago, I started playing pickleball and going to tournaments, traveling around the country, and we'd end up going to a place where, you know, it might be a tennis facility. They'd put temporary courts out, they'd wheel in the bathrooms, wheel in a food truck, and that would call that a tournament. And I thought, man, there's got to be a better way to do this. So we thought, how about if we do a huge building indoors where we could play no matter what the weather is, snow, rain, wind is we hate that when it comes to pickleball. Wind is terrible. So playing indoors was really something near and dear to my heart that I thought was special. This is a 103,000 square foot indoor sports center. We have about 20 pickleball courts that are actually outside surface, but perfect weather on the inside. We've got 4 golf simulators, which you're seeing one of them right here behind me that are a blast. We have a full-size basketball court that we're going to play basketball, volleyball, dodgeball, futsal, you name it on that court. We've got an entire gym and fitness room, and we have a game room where we're playing cornhole, shuffleboard, billiards, ping pong, you name it. So yeah, and then we have a full-on juice bar and a pro shop that you can visit, and we're about to put in a big restaurant and bar inside our building here. About 8,000 square foot of indoor sports restaurant, 4,000 square foot patio where you can wine and dine and enjoy the fire pits and things like that. And then we're building a 120 unit hotel in the parking lot. The whole purpose of this was that you could come here. It's a destination resort. You can come from all around the world, hang out here for the week, play pickleball, play golf, play, you know, bowl, do whatever you want with the family, and then, you know, have a nice place to stay and great places to eat right here. Never have to get in your car.
Jim, this place is awesome. There's so many things to do here, from working out to arcades to golf to, of course, pickleball. So
it's literally hard to, something for everybody here.
Yeah, it's a little really cool. Hard to miss this place up here at the mall, but just in case, how can people get a hold of you?
We are up at the Gateway Mall in Prescott, Arizona at 3400 Gateway Boulevard. And yeah, we're up there in the old Sears building right next to Texas Roadhouse, so you can't miss us. And go to espiresports.com is our website.
Perfect. And you guys are on Facebook and Instagram and all the things. Yeah. So yeah, look for Espire Sports, but yeah, definitely come down and check this place out and see what it's all about. So yeah, this is super cool.
Well, thank you. Appreciate your time today, Jim. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit. And yeah, that's gonna do it. So until next time, he's Tucker.
He's the Beard.
And we are out.